Hi there. This video will show you how to replace the sensors of the back roller, which controls the moving up and down limitations. The first thing you need to remove is the cover of the backrest. It was fixed to the backrest frame by 6 screws, and here is the top one, and this is the middle one, and for the last bottom one is here. To remove these 2 screws, you will need to remove the cover of the electricity box. Then you can reach these 2 screws and remove them. And after you remove the backrest cover, then you can reach the back roller. The sensor was located on the right side of the back roller mechanism. It's here, this one, and this one. You see, the top one has 2 plugs. The bottom one got only one. And now that your back roller was stopped on the top, you will need to drop down the back roller. You see in here, the chip was fixed to the frame by 2 screws here, and in the top it was blocked by this bolt. You cannot reach the screws, so you will need to drive it down. If you can try to press the turn the chair on and press the menu, and then choose one of the massage method. You can choose the let's say the kneading. Also, you can press the kneading button in the home screen. It's in the bottom of the remote controller. In that mode, then you can press the switch to the home screen and press the down arrow and drive the motor down to a proper position. Make these screws in this open area, just like this one. Then you can use the screw to turn it out. And if the remote controller does not work, you can use a screwdriver here to drive the motor, turn the motor to drive it down. And before you replace the sensor, most of the time it's not the sensor was damaged. Most of the time it's because the plug is loose. You see, there we have 2 plugs, and sometimes it's because the gap between the sensor and this board is too wide, and here you can see here is magnet. If the gap between here and here is too wide, the sensor cannot detect in the magnet, so it cannot find the maximum travel range, and it will keep going up. So that's why he stopped in the top. So you can firstly try to check the connections. If the connection is all good, you can try to adjust this board, make it a little bit closer to the sensor, see if it will resolve the problem. But don't make it too much. It shall never touch. Make this plug being closed like this. If it is closed, then all the back roller will be, the power supply to the back roller will be cut off. So basically that's it. If you turn it down to the open area, you will be able to remove the screws and take out the chips by screwdriver. And beware of the nut in the other side. You may need to use some tool to hold it, and then use a screwdriver in the other side.